Congratulations on finishing Section 2, Plans and Pricing for Creative Cloud apps and more. In this video, we're going to go over a summary of what we learned in this section. So we talked about the individuals plan. We covered all of these categories here. So we talked about the photo apps, how you can get them individually, graphic design, video, illustration, UI and UX, Acrobat and PDF, 3D and AR, and then also social media. If you just want to get a single application instead of getting all the apps, you're more than welcome to just sign up for a single application if you need it. Then we talked about the Creative Cloud All Apps deal. So we went to buy now and then looked at the monthly plan, which I recommend doing. The $52 a month yearly plan, billed monthly, and then the yearly plan billed up front, $600. Okay. And then I talked about the time frame that you need to cancel before you get charged a fee, which is why I recommend the monthly fee. Okay. So I'm going to go back. Then we talked about the business plan, business and teams, how you can get apps like Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, Premiere Pro, and Acrobat for your business or department, plus a management console, which is huge, and an instant asset syncing across devices. And the biggest thing about the administrative tool is it just gives you a single screen or area to control all of your applications, all your users, okay? So you can easily deploy and, like, let's say you fire someone, you can lock out their access, okay? You can, so you can do all these different things. You can also look for Adobe talent or just people that are on Creative Cloud Behance. So you can find people there and reach millions of creatives. Technical support, and then also integration with popular apps. Storage, again, this is a crucial one. You can get 1 terabyte of cloud storage per user. So the example I gave is if you're a video production house and you're making tons of videos and everybody has an account, you would have 10 terabytes of storage. That is huge for folks that are making video because video files are humongous, okay? Especially if they're uncompressed, it takes up a lot of storage, okay? I know I have a lot of courses and I have terabytes of video, okay? So it's just a way to kind of centralize all your videos and everything, and it's a great way to work with that as well, okay? So for $80 a month per user, you can get all the Creative Cloud apps, and then for a single app, it's $34 a month per user, okay? So we talked about that. Then we have students and teachers, so I talked about the special that they have right now, which it's 60% off. It's an exclusive price. It's a promo that they have going on right now. So if you're watching this at a later date and you don't see it, that's why. But it's $20 a month for the first year, $20 a month for 12 months. And then after the first year, it's $30 a month, okay? And then these are all the different things that they have. You have to have eligibility in order to get the deal in the first place. You have to be a student or a teacher to get that deal, okay? Then we have schools and universities. So I talked about Creative Cloud for Education. So per name user license, per shared device, per student pack for departments of 100 students or more, and then institution-wide option as well, okay? So that's plans and pricings for Creative Cloud apps and more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.